I'm going to try my best not to get emotional, but I swear some of this logic out there I see, people literally need to be slapped. But I'm going to do it metaphorically here in this video. Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. In the intro, I am very passionate about this, and it's a pet peeve of mine. I get angry just at it in general. I get angry at myself because I used to be of this mind frame. I used to use this logic, and it's just one of those things where I literally want to slap myself because what was I thinking? So I want to go over this and the question, do you need to be slapped? And I don't know, maybe you're already using rational logic, maybe not, but if any of these pertain to you, and be honest, just be honest with yourself, you may need a reality check, so I'm here to administer a slap to you if needed. Like I said, one of the reasons this drives me nuts is because I fell into this when I first got started, and looking back, it just kind of makes me shrug my shoulders and not know what was I thinking. So the big thing that drives me nuts, and something you will never hear, is, have you ever heard of a professional sheep or a professional shadow trader? What do I mean by that? Well, there's really two mindsets out there, and the two mindsets are this. First one is either going to be, give me buy or sell alerts. And you know what? There's all sorts of services out there. There's all sorts of newsletters, all sorts of chat rooms, and this is their business model right here. Hey, we'll give you buy and sell alerts. You follow us. We're going to make you a lot of money. And you know what? All you got to do is pay us X amount every 3 months, X amount every month. Really? I pay you. You tell me when to buy and sell, and I'm going to make money? Maybe that sounds a little too good to be true. Yeah, exactly. So the next number I want you to pay attention to is this. 10%. Rough, give or take, that's the success rate of people that want to get into trading and really, do this for a living or do this as a consistent form of supplemental income. 10%. So let me ask yourself, do you think it's really that easy as, hey, if I pay this person money, they're going to tell me when to buy, they're going to give me the buy and sell alerts, and it's going to be peaches and cream, I don't know, maybe. 10% success rate, having somebody give you buy and sell alerts. Now let me ask you this, and this goes back to this question up here, something you will never hear. Imagine this, you're talking to your buddy. Yeah, what do you do for a living? Oh, I trade stocks. Oh, you trade stocks? Yeah, so could you tell me a little bit more about that? Well, all I do is I pay somebody $300 every 3 months, so that equates to $1,200 a year, and I make like $75,000 a year. Wait a minute. So you just pay somebody else $1,200 a year and you make $75,000? Yeah, and I don't even have to do anything. All I do is pay. This person sends me an alert when I should buy, sends me an alert when I should sell, and I just make money. I spend like 2 minutes in the morning checking my email or checking my text alert. I do what this person tells me. I am a sheep. I am a shadow trader. And then I just wait and I get an email or I get a text alert. Hey, sell. And then I sell and I make money. And all it costs me is $1,200 a year or whatever the amount is. I don't know about you, but hopefully you're saying this sounds like the dumbest thing ever. Yeah, people have this logic. People have this, including myself, but my logic was worse. I saw the free newsletters out there. Hey, get hot picks from us for free and we're going to make you a bunch of money. And I thought, wow, these people are going to do all the research on their end. And boy, oh boy, was I a sucker. And let me tell you this right now. If you're out there of the impression that you can pay somebody, or worse yet, go to a free newsletter and they're going to give you their buy-sell alerts and their price targets and all that, and that you're just going to make money, that trading is that easy, hopefully that's serving as a potential slap across your face. That's not how it is. Those people are profiting from making it appear like it's that easy, but then of course, it doesn't even really matter at that point, because if you're just blindly following them, then you're going to help them trade, because when all the sheep buy, the price is going to go up. They're fine. But even if it doesn't, who cares? You're paying whatever it is per month, per 3 months, per 6 months. It's just an absolute joke, and it drives me nuts when people email me, hey, do you give buy and sell alerts? No. If that disappoints me when I just said, oh, well, sorry, Clay, I'm not going to sign up for your chat room if you don't give buy or sell alerts, you are a sheep. You are lazy, and you're going to fail. Because your mindset is, you know what, give me buy and sell alerts. Whereas the other mindset out there, and these are the people I want to surround myself with, this is the only path to success, is teach me when to, and then the rest. You see the difference here? Which of these two is going to be self-sufficient? What happens if this all amazing stock pick guru gets run over by a bus? Sorry. What happens if the person that taught them gets run over by a bus? Who cares? They understand. My favorite saying, these people, they want to be given a fish. These people want to be taught how to fish. Now you may be thinking, what are you talking about, Clay? I checked out your website. You offer $99 for a chat room and a newsletter. Fair enough, but let me explain the difference between my services and other people. And again, if this sounds like that's stupid, well, you're lazy. You just want everything handed to you, and it doesn't work that way. The big difference from my service is the in versus the how, meaning my chat room, my newsletter, we talk about stocks in play. Now, how you play them, we're not going to say that because it's different for everybody, and that's why this doesn't work. There's too many different risk tolerance levels out there. We're all different creatures in our heads, in our emotions. And what may be a buy for somebody else, may be a sell, or vice versa. But we talk about stocks in play, and then you as a trader need to form a plan around that and do it. Again, if you form a plan, that sounds like a lot of work. If somebody just gives me a buy, yeah, you're lazy. And I'm going to say it right now, there's a slap across the face if you need it. You're lazy, you're not going to succeed. Versus the how. These people are all the how. In terms of, tell me how in terms of where to buy, how in terms of where to sell, and I'm just going to sit by my phone, get my text alert, and it's that easy. So again, you're never going to hear that from somebody. Yeah, all I do is pay this, and I literally do nothing else the rest of the day. Somebody tells me when to buy, when to sell. I work like maybe 15 minutes per day, maybe an hour per week, because this person just gives me buy and sell alerts, and I make money from them, and I make a living doing it. You're never going to hear that because it just doesn't happen. 10%. So keep that in mind. Like I said, maybe I am calling you lazy right now, but I do that because I was the ultimate lazy. At least people that are paying for it, okay, I can understand that. Okay, I'm paying, therefore I should be getting something of value. But I didn't even pay. I went to the free people and, why isn't any of this working? I mean, it's free, so just keep that in mind. You got to learn. You got to figure out what works for you. And if you're going to pay a chat room or pay a newsletter or pay whatever in order to get their picks, their buy, their sell alerts, however they're structuring it, let me put it this way. If you're going through their website and you get the impression that all you have to do is sign up and then they're going to give you picks that are going to make you money, this is an illusion. It's a marketing gimmick on their part. They know this number, but their revenue is coming from, you know what? Let's just get suckers. Let's get sheep to sign up, and then we're just going to make money from that. So I'm not saying all chat rooms are like that. I'm not saying all newsletters are like this. But the best way to do it is if you personally are reading through their services, reading through their website or whatever, and you get the impression, wow, these people are making me think, they're making it come across like I sign up, they give me buy and sell alerts, and then I'm going to make a bunch of money. Look at all these testimonies of people that it's their first trade ever, and they make a whole bunch of money. That's the ones where this is what they're trying to do. The key, the pivot of all success in the long run is you got to learn how to do it yourself. So you need to be wanting stocks that are in play. You don't need to be doing how to play, because how to play means you're in the lazy mindset, and the lazy mindset is something that's never going to last the full run. So keep that in mind as you go out there and just kind of determine what mindset you are in right now. If you enjoyed this video, if you can relate, or maybe you want to talk some trash to me because maybe I've offended you, leave those comments down below. I like to hear from everybody, even if you are talking some trash. All is welcome. Click the like button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on my site, claytrader.com, click the share button, and little things like that. Let me know that you're finding these videos helpful, and I will keep on making them. So thanks for watching. Get out there. Don't be a sheep. Don't be a shadow trader. Learn to think for yourself and trade without emotion.